The UK has a very long and strong history of automotive skills, automotive universities. In 2018, we started the support for Formula Student AI to help develop those skills that we need in self-driving, in autonomy, in AI, to help develop those skills and help the university students leave university with the skills that industry want.
We provide safety training on the approved training course for IMechE for Formula Student and try and drive standards to help support the event. This year in particular is the first year where we've provided specialist support at the event in the EV charging area and help the stewards and the scrutineers.
So we've been supporting Formula Student for over 11 years now. I personally have been involved for 11 years. We've been supporting for over 13 years. And we find it super important because Formula Student is an important competition for students to get hands-on learning. They can definitely pick up all of the skills that they need so they can hit the ground running when they join industry.
So we're involved in Formula Student for a number of reasons. We offer products for the cars and testing that we can offer to the students free of charge to optimise their suspension setups, but we also use it as a way to engage with the students and to bring them on in career opportunities. We have placement students each year and we use Formula Student as a real differentiator to find the right kind of people. And also in their future careers, we have an awful lot of former Formula Student alumni who are now full-time employees with us, and it's a really good way to set you up for a career in the industry.
Ansys is a world-leading simulation tool provider. So one of the things with our student teams, we make available a wide range of our software. So that's on the mechanical side, fluid dynamics side, but also the electromagnetics and electrics. One of the obvious ones, of course, is the fluid dynamics, the airflow over the vehicle for downforce. So our software is used sort of across Formula One right through to Formula Student. But of course there are a lot of other aspects as well. There's the mechanical stress analysis, but also increasingly electric vehicles, looking at the motors, electromagnetics, but also how they're working thermally, how they're cooled and other.
What we're trying to do is help students to understand that they can develop their cars before they ever see a physical component or ever see a car. It's much cheaper, it's much more effective, and it's much faster to be able to develop in the simulation world. So we're providing the licenses for free so that students can get to grips with a corporate industry standard tool and get used to using it.
One of the key things about Sheffield Hallam, it is an applied university. The main thing about that is we try and get our students to demonstrate their capabilities over and above purely academic. So we like them to take part in this competition because of the applied nature. They can design, build, test, and then ultimately evaluate what they've done. And in doing so, they come out with some fantastic success stories. So we've currently got around about 4 or 5 students all just starting their careers within F1.
Learn to Win is always a great event. It's a kick-off event for the whole competition. It gives us a chance to really help the teams when they're right at the very beginning, making all of those engineering decisions. We can make sure that they have every information they need so they're all set up for a successful year.
Everybody from the large companies such as the blue chips, the BAE Systems of the world, be that aerospace or even submarine. Additionally, we get some of them that move into nuclear industries, and then right at the other end of the spectrum, we have small SMEs that we partner with and sponsor, and our students will also go into them.
Love to see the young engineers, especially considering our software is widely used in industry, so we want them to be prepared for the real world F1 jobs.
It gives them a real good insight to a career and what it's like to be in a career, which has ultimately driven a lot of our students into quite good careers. We've got a few students out at Bentley, a couple of students, one student's just come back from Red Bull on a placement. He's secured a position at Red Bull. They feel that career success is derived from being part of a Formula Student team.